Saturday morning. We all slept in, but it is absolutely beautiful out here. I think I'm gonna go make some breakfast for the kids, Rachel, and then I think we're going to the beach today. But first, we gotta make breakfast. Let's get this going. Okay. Biscuits.
You have to get it out and then put it on there.
Oh. Well, can you help me with that?
Yes.
There, like that?
No.
Why? I did what you said. I opened them up.
But you have to put them differently.
Oh, well, here, help me spread them out then.
Oh, spread it out like that. Who is those guys?
There you go. Pull them apart.
Who's my friend? Oh, can I help?
Yeah. I'll pull them apart, then you just put them where you think they should go.
Oh, they feel so weird. I never cooked with you forever, Daddy.
I know.
Yeah. I like to do this.
We don't have to push on them. We just put them in the spots where they go. You want me to help you? Okay. You gotta leave them kind of spaced out so that way they don't stick to each other. Here, look, if we do like this.
I already got one in my hand.
Leave them away from the edges just a little bit. And you put that one right there.
There.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Open up and I'll put them in.
Yeah.
You got it? There we go.
It's gonna be delicious. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. I'm dancing.
Dance party.
I'm dancing, I'm dancing too. I'm dancing, I'm dancing.
You can have your own morning dance party without any music, can't you? Ooh, those look good. Bailey, biscuits are ready. Look at them.
Let's see. Oh. Ooh.
Those look good, don't they?
Yeah, that's one of the shortest ones. Do you have the gun? Please, I'll give you the, in this thing, if you got me the gun, I'll give you it.
Yes, I like foo-foo creamer.
First, give me...
Rachel, coffee. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Is it good?
It's hot. Very good.
Did I do a good
You
job?
did a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We also need some hash browns.
Hash browns. Not like that.
Not like that again, huh?
Open it. Open
Open this one too?
Yeah, you have to open all the foods that we make. You have to open them all. Even for the eggs, you have to crack them.
I can't just put them on the pan and be done?
No.
Oh.
Not.
There you go, Bailey. I did it.
I'm going to space it out. I'll show you what to do. I'll show you what to do. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Dot, 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 dot. And like
Do you like hash browns?
that. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
they're done.
They're gonna be delicious. Yeah, and then turn your.
And then we got to work on the sausage gravy, right?
Yeah.
Bam!
That's not how it does. You gotta open it.
I gotta open that one too.
That's pretty much probably not how it goes. You're sassy. One of your friends kicked me out of his party. What are your friends' flavors now? That could work for me.
Added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper.
Because I died already.
Gravy is done. Bailey, are you ready to get dressed to go to the beach?
Yeah.
You need to put your bathing suit on. You ready? Ha! Bathing suit. Now it's time for your dress. And now you're dressed and ready to go to the beach.
Well, I just knocked that guy from the head on.
All right, Bailey, get your sandals on.
My shit on.
There you go. You're all dressed and ready to go. All we gotta do is eat breakfast and then off to the beach, huh?
Beach.
You want to catch up?
Yes. On my ex and I'm there.
Ooh.
Why isn't it getting out? Get out, you. Fart, catch up. It sounds like it's farting.
All right, try it. How is it?
These are, with ketchup on the eggs, it's my favorite. So good.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Apple juice. All right, dude. Did you have fun playing your Xbox this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready for some good breakfast?
Yeah.
Ready to go to the beach afterwards?
No.
Why? Why don't you want to go to the beach?
I just don't.
It's so beautiful and sunny and warm out.
So, I would rather be playing
What if-
outside and training my bicycle.
What if I let you bury me in sand?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna bury you in sand with that one too.
All right. Well, we got to eat our breakfast so we can get going, okay?
Okay.
How's your breakfast?
What's up, guys?
How's your breakfast?
Oh, I'm full. It's
How's your breakfast?
delicious. Delicious.
You're so good.
What's up, guys?
What's up? All right. Breakfast is done. All loaded up.
Yes.
Got the waters.
Yes.
Got the shovels.
Yes.
Got the towels.
Yes.
Yes.
Got the
my
chairs.
Yes.
Got the Barbies.
Yep.
Barbie. Got my car. This is
Got
the
your
only
car?
Barbie I brought.
All right. Let's go to the beach and have some fun.
Yeah.
Made it to the beach. Who's ready to have some fun?
Me.
Okay, everybody got all their stuff?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Let's go.
You excited?
No. Yes.
Oh, you're still.
Playing about Porto.
Oh, what about you, Beth?
Yeah. I'm excited.
I love the beach. Do what?
Why are these not named sand shoes? Because the sand gets annoying.
Well, because they're shoes that you wear in the water. Not meant to keep sand off of them.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Here we go. Ah, the beach.
I think it really doesn't matter.
What do you think, guys?
Good.
Does this look like a good spot? Right.
We're here.
Let's go right here. Ready to go get in the water, Bay?
Bro.
What you got?
Jackpot!
Jackpot, you got a bunch of sand. You got to sift it out in the water. Come on. Yeah, that's how you have to do it. Is the water cold? Ooh, that's real cold. I mean, it's still January, so weather's nice, but the water's cold.
Yeah. By the way, I got bitten at school.
You got a bee sting, huh?
Yeah.
First bee sting.
Yeah. It's on my second ever.
You ready to feel the water, Bay? Tell me if it's hot or cold.
It's just nice.
Just nice. It is freezing, girl. This water is cold.
I want to feel it. Oh, that feels so nice.
What are you doing?
I found the jackpot of these living things. I'm putting them in.
I think they're like a type of clam or a snail or something.
Yeah.
We'll have to look them up. I can't remember what they are.
I found some more. Like I hit the jackpot.
You got a bunch of them?
Yeah, like 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah. I still need to decorate their whole. Yeah, I'm gonna let the rest of them free and live a happy life.
Well, you didn't swim in any of the water.
I guess I should.
Watch where you run. Watch out, Ben.
What are you doing, Beth?
Making this area flat so I can do this.
What is that?
A squid.
A squid? We're going to go try to find some seashells. All right, buddy, let's go. Don't run. We're not running. See, there's people with fishing poles and stuff out.
Yeah.
So we don't want to. Well, see, they've got their lines out, so you don't want to run on that side of the water because that's where their lines are.
Yeah.
This part of the beach doesn't usually have a whole lot of shells.
Yeah.
It's very sandy, powdery.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can find, though.
Yeah. A seagull. Seagull.
Seagull. Are you a seagull? Here's one. Here's one, Bentley. Find something? Here's some.
Oh, that's that one.
Back scratcher.
Back scratcher. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, here's a good one. Oh my goodness. Hey, come on, stop.
You just pick whatever ones you want. Look, here looks like a nice one. Right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What is all these shells?
Yeah.
Why are we laughing? Yeah.
All right. Hey, so we're also right around the corner is where all the people do fishing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fishing back there. You want to go for a walk that way, and we can see if anybody's caught any fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So we're at Coquina Beach
Parkway.
Parkway.
Yeah.
What do you mean Coquina Beach Parkway? That's just the beach we're at.
Yeah.
So we're at Coquina Beach
Parkway.
Parkway. It's one of the beaches included in Bradenton Beach. It is beautiful,
The best piece.
but busy.
Yeah.
We got a late start on the day. Didn't get out here till like after 1 o'clock. Parking was tough, but it's nice.
Yeah,
And
and here.
we're parked right around the corner from a dock where they do a lot of fishing. We went fishing out there once or twice before. Never got anything. But we're going to take a walk over there and see if anybody's catching anything today.
So we're finding.
Phone died. Had to go charge it so
Yeah.
we could finish the video.
Yeah. So now we're going to go.
Where are we going?
Going to go see if anybody caught anything good.
See if anybody's caught anything good
Yeah.
fishing. This is the edge of Anna Maria Island.
Yeah, if you.
And over there is the start of Longboat Key. That beach right there at the point, that's a beer can.
Yeah.
That's where we like to go. But there's only like 15 or 20 parking spots.
Yeah.
So you got to get there at the right time.
Yeah,
We did not today.
Yeah, we need to get there at like 10 a.m. or 9:30. What is it,
Over
10?
there, big boat party spot. Always boats parked up and down there all summer long.
Yeah.
Can't wait till we have a boat. We can join
Yeah.
them. Yeah, it's a real bird. Look how big he is.
Oh, no.
He's waiting for somebody to drop. Oh, got himself a fish. Excuse me, sir. Can we walk through?
Excuse me, sir?
Grab by the neck and take him with you, please.
Catching anything?
Not here. I was getting some good sheep set up on the Skyway.
Oh, yeah?
Here, it's nothing but squirrel fish right now.
Oh, good luck.
I appreciate it. I bet this is the squirrel.
Yeah, probably. Why are you only catching squirrel fish?
Because that's what's hanging out on the rocks right now. Unfortunately, there's no sheep set in here yet.
What's that orange thing?
Before we throw it back, can we take a quick video of it?
Grabbing it out, getting fish. They're pretty little fish. If you're going out to a reef, they're grouper bait. These pretty little fish.
Very cool.
They just don't have much value except for going out and catching something.
Yeah.
So you have been tossing out the squirrel fishes.
Yeah, I tossed them back. Unfortunately, we're not going out on a boat.
It tells people.
Well, he's the only one that caught anything so far.
Yes.
Him and that bird.
A bird. The bird does.
Hello, Mr. Bird.
Hello. Oh, in the water.
Did you enjoy the fish you caught?
Did you
You gonna go catch some more?
Are you gonna scoop it in burger fish?
There's a big sandbar right over there. There's always a bunch of boats docked up around that too. People walking around in the water. It's only up to like their waist maybe. Looks pretty fun. Pretty cool up underneath the bridge, huh?
Soft sand.
What do you got?
How much is this soft sand, like I just said?
What are you gonna do with it?
Bring it home to
Right.
the country road.
Bring it home to the country roads, huh?
Yeah.
What happened while we were gone looking at the people fishing? Did you bury her? Uh-oh, uh-oh, ah!
Dude, I look alike. I'm a white monster. Get me a hug.
Yeah, give Mommy a hug with all that sand on you. She loves sand. Is it Bentley's turn to get buried?
I mean, you're trying to get a hug.
I love hugs. Give me a hug. Oh, you're hugging the vlog.
No.
Oh, you hugged me too.
Mom, give me a hug. I would love a hug.
Here, Bentley, let's bury you. Here, let's bury Bentley. Here, sit down here.
Okay. I'll help.
Help bury him. We can't get it on his heart monitor.
Yeah, I don't trust you now. No.
No, it's okay.
I'll be easy with you, okay? Okay. I promise. Don't please don't go get away from me. No. I don't want you to help.
Bentley, stop. Be nice, buddy.
I'm so excited to play at the park.
Yeah, we're gonna go over to the park when we're done. Here at the beach.
Yeah, we might actually not have time to bury you.
To bury me?
Yeah.
No, if we don't bury me today, you guys can bury me another day.
Yeah. Good it up, baby.
Another day when I'm more prepared and have the phone charged.
Yeah. Yeah. Because your phone was how deep I did get a hole. Your skin has looked beautiful.
You gotta get him on the side here too.
Oh, yeah, I'll get him right now. I'll just use my hands for that. Have you covered up?
All right, Bentley's buried.
No.
You just took it off of you. All right, Bailey, back up so you can try to get up. You made it look easy. So you guys started karate this past week, didn't you?
Yeah.
Let's see your karate moves. Back up a little bit. Let's see beach karate. No, there you go. Show us what you learned, Bailey. Aren't you supposed to say something?
Hey!
Keep going. What are those? Hammer punches, palm punches, and the splits. And Bailey just likes to dance.
head and this.
Protecting parts of your body.
And then this is to protect your leg. No, this is to protect your leg, belly. Not.
See, that's yoga, Bailey. No, what you're doing. So the kids' favorite thing about coming to this beach is there's a pirate ship park
Which I feel.
out by the parking lot. So that's where they want to go there before we head home.
Yeah,
So we're going to play over there for a little bit.
and that's where I had my birthday party.
Yeah, you had your birthday party 2 years ago there, didn't you?
Yeah.
So remember, what do we always make sure we do before we leave the beach when we're done playing?
Fill up the hole.
Fill in the holes. That's right. You guys got all the holes filled in?
Yep.
Why do we fill in the holes, Bentley?
So that way turtles don't. So that way baby sea turtles don't get stuck, so they don't suffocate and die, because they need the water to live.
Yep. So we do that so the turtles don't get stuck in the holes, and also people at night out walking around, they don't twist an ankle and get hurt, right?
Yeah. No problem.
So this is, which park is this? The one we had your birthday party at, right?
Yeah.
We did over here at these picnic tables.
Yeah, but somebody's having
There
a
was a
birthday.
raccoon
Somebody's having a birthday.
and a ton of squirrels that kept trying to eat the cake.
Yeah. That's happened to us. Yeah. Come on.
All right. Go have fun, kids.
Are you done? Yeah.
Bah. Think you can climb up it, Bailey?
I think so. I've never been on it before. Get it! Come on. No, I'm scared.
You can do it. You can't get it? All right, go up the stairs there.
Hi, bud.
A rock climbing wall? Inside the big pirate ship.
I made it! Hi! I'm the...
All right, let's see it. You can do it?
I can do it without the handles.
Piece of cake, huh?
Yeah. I'm already up there.
Nice job.
Oh.
What are you doing, crazy boy?
We're going down the slide.
What are you doing? Are you scaring kids?
Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'd say somebody had some fun at the beach today.